In this video, I'm going to show you how to create 3D Bitmoji on Snapchat. The 3D Bitmoji on your Snapchat is more like your profile picture, where you will be able to customize the 3D Bitmoji based on your interest. You can change the outfits, change the hair color, change the eyeball, change everything on the Bitmoji, so as to set as your profile picture. So to set Bitmoji on your Snapchat, all you need to do is follow the steps in this video. However, if you found this video interesting and helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. So the first one to do is open the Snapchat application on your iPhone or Android. This works both on the OS. Then once you click on the Snapchat application, click on the profile icon at the top left here. So go to your Snapchat profile account and the profile page, click on the settings, G icon at the top right, then scroll down a bit, and here you should see an option called the Bitmoji. Here is it. Then click on Bitmoji, this. So once you click on that, then click on create my avatar. Bitmoji is your personal emoji. Create an expressive cartoon avatar and pick from a huge library of sticker featuring you. Then click on create this. Here you go. Then you have series of Bitmoji available here. This one is for female. This is for female and this is for male. Then click your gender. Here I'm a male. Then click this. Here you can just configure or customize your Bitmoji. So this is your ear color. My ear color is black. Then here is your skin tone. It could be brown, be white. So just choose through the skin tone here. Then come over here for your ear treatment. Choose it. You can also deselect it by tapping the select button to deselect all you've selected. And here is your facial expression. Do you have beard or not? So how do you want your facial expression to look? In this case, maybe this or this. You see that? So as I touch this facial expression, the Bitmoji changes. Now again, come here, which is facial ear color. So is it black or brown? So here again, your hair shape. You see that? So make sure you customize this, and this is your hair latches. Then choose whichever one that describe how you look. So that, so then this one as well is high size. How big is your eyes? You can use this to adjust your high size on the Bitmoji. Then come here again. This is the highest percent. How close are your eyes? How close are your eyes? So use this to adjust it, and this. Just make sure you play around this, your mouth size, every other thing. Here, once you are done doing this, all you just need to do is click on the save button at the top right. Once you hit the save, you see pop-up that says ready to pick an outfit. Just click on yes. Then here, choose your outfit. So that's so there are various outfits available here. Just select an outfit and see how it looks. See this? So you can select corporate outfit or something silly. Then hit the save button again. Once you do that, then this is how the Bitmoji is going to look on your profile. And once this is done, there you go. You can just hit the black button. And once you hit the black button, you go back to your Snapchat profile page. And the profile page is what you're going to see. So you've already set your Bitmoji as your Snapchat profile. So this is how to create 3D Bitmoji on Snapchat. So if this is helpful and educative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.